Hi. The story I'm going to tell you tonight is an Aesop fable with many versions. If you have ever wondered if a leopard could change his spots, my new friends, the scorpion and the frog, will help answer that question for you. My name is Nicole, and please join me for my story, The Scorpion and the Frog. One day, the scorpion was looking for a new place to live. I don't like it here, he said. He went around looking for a new home, and he finally found the perfect spot. There was just one problem. It was on the other side of the river. After a while, he saw a frog. Hello, Mr. Frog, he said. Can you take me across the river? Now, Frog, being who he was, couldn't believe that the scorpion was talking to him. Are you talking to me? He said as he looked to his left and then his right. Then the frog said, once I take you to the other side, how do I know you won't sting me? That's stupid, he said. If I sting you, we'll both drown because I cannot swim. After a while, the frogs agreed to take him across the river. So Scorpion scurried onto the frog's back and they started their journey across the river. Now, at this point, the frog started to think, hmm, maybe the scorpion isn't such a bad guy after all. And at the same time, the scorpion started to think, I'm about to go to my new home. I cannot wait. And then all of a sudden, the frog felt a sting and then some numbness. He looked back at the frog and said, why did you do that? Scorpion told him, that is my nature. I cannot help myself. Scorpion could not help himself. He was who he was, even if that meant his own death. When people show you who they are, believe them. Your life just might depend on it.